In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA in Lovable. Setting up two-factor authentication is an easy yet crucial step to add an extra layer of security to your online presence. Whether you're protecting your personal information or sensitive work data, enabling 2FA helps ensure that only you can access your account. Let's dive in and go through the process together. To start, you'll want to log into your Lovable account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see a small profile icon. Click on this icon. This will bring up a menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. You're on your way to fortifying your account security. Next, from the menu that pops up, find and click on Settings. It might sound basic, but this is where all the magic happens when it comes to tweaking your account and enhancing security. The Settings area gives you access to a variety of choices, but for now, we're focused on security. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll need to navigate to the Security area. This section is dedicated to keeping your account safe and secure. Here, you can manage security features such as changing passwords, or most importantly, enabling two-factor authentication. It's a crucial step to safeguard all your important information. Now that you're in the Security menu, look for the option to enable 2FA. There should be a clearly marked button or link that says Enable next to the two-factor authentication option. Click on this to start securing your account with an additional layer of verification. After you've clicked Enable, follow the on-screen instructions. Usually, this will involve linking a mobile app or receiving a verification code via text or email. You'll be asked to verify using a second device or method. It might involve scanning a QR code using an authenticator app or confirming your identity through a code sent to your phone. This process is designed to be straightforward, so just follow each step as instructed. And there you have it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Lovable account. Remember, the next time you log in, you'll be required to use this second form of verification. Keep your authentication device handy to ensure the login process goes smoothly. By enabling 2FA, you've taken a significant step in protecting your online security. It might feel like a small action today, but it makes a world of difference in keeping your data safe. Don't forget to explore the other security features while you're in the settings to see what other steps you can take to protect your account. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more secure online experience.